Good evening, everyone. Today we will dive into PixHawk software, firmware, and SDK integration. Kung paano nito tina-transform ang drones into intelligence and autonomous system. Ipapakita natin kung paano nag-work together ang firmware, APIs, and SDKs to enable real-time data, seamless integration at advanced mission control na ginagamit sa modern industry applications. So, yun. Next slide. For this overview, we will focus on key learning points such as understanding the difference between Pilot and PX4, exploring how APIs and SDKs work in drone system, performing basic PixHawk, configuration, monitoring telemetry data, executing sample missions through simulation. By the end of this discussion, magkaroon tayo ng solid foundation kung paano ginagamit ang PixHawk real world scenario like logistics and agriculture at aviation system. So, yun. Next, learning objectives natin yan. First, differentiate Ardo Pilot and PX4. Second, understand APIs and SDKs. Third, explain system integration. Fourth, perform basic configuration. Fifth, monitor telemetry data. And the last one, execute autonomous missions. So, yun. Next.
Next naman sir is yung firmware overview. So ang firmware ay low-level software na naka-install sa flight controller ng drone tulad ng PixHawk. Siya yung parang utak na kumokontrol sa behavior ng drone habang lumilipad. Sa system may dalawang main parts which is yung FMO tsaka yung IO. Yung FMO ang nagpo-process ng data galing sa sensors tulad ng orientation at motion. Habang yung IO naman ang nag-handle ng inputs gaya ng RC controller. Pagkatapos nito, kino-convert ng firmware yung data into commands na pinapadala sa motors gamit ang PWM outputs, kaya gumagalaw yung drone. In terms of functions naman, tatlo yung pinaka-importante, which is yung stability, navigation, and yung flight control. Sa stability, dito natin nakikita na pantay at binabalance yung drone. Sa navigation naman, tumutulong sa movement lalo na kung may GPS. And yung sa flight control, sinusunod yung commands ng pilot. Next.
Ang next naman ay Ardo Pilot versus PX4. Ang Ardo Pilot ay feature-rich, many built-in functions. Works with many drone types, wide compatibility, strong community support. Ang PX4 naman ay modular, easy to customize parts. Used in industry and research, scalable, good for advanced system. In short, ang Ardo Pilot ay easy use at many built-in features. Good siya for beginners. Ang PX4 naman ay mas flexible at mas modular. Better for advanced and research use of students.
Next naman sir ay ang key concept firmware. Meron tayong tatlong na ito. Autopilot. Ang autopilot, ito ang system na automatikong nagko-control sa lipad ng drone. Hindi na kailangan ng tao na manually i-adjust ang bawat galaw ng motor na to para manatiling stable ang drone sa ere. Ang modular system naman ay ang system ay binubuo ng mga bahagi na pwedeng palitan o i-upgrade ng hindi sinisira. Ang pagbuo ng unit, halimbawa ang pagpalit ng camera o sensors nang hindi binabago ang core firmware. Ang real-time processing naman ay napaka-importante nito dahil kailangan mabilis ang responde ng drone. Kapag nagbigay ng command, dapat ito ang mapaprocess agad para maiwasan ang bangga o pagbaksak. Thank you, sir. Next.
Next naman sir is yung APIs and SDKs. So, yung API, siya yung interface for software communication. And then yung SDK naman sir, ito yung toolkit for building yung mismong application. And examples ng Pixhawk sir is yung Mav SDK, which is yung may Mavlink control. And then next is yung DroneKit, which is yung Python API for ArduPilot. And next naman po is yung ROS integration or yung robotics or AI.
Integration with IT system, telemetry link, send data to clouds and analytics platform, application, fleet management, GIS, agriculture, and surveillance. Key terms, cloud computing, fleet management, telemetry data. Basic Pixhawk's configuration. Ang Pixhawk ay ang flight controller ng drone. Siya ang utak na kumokontrol sa paglipad para gumana ito ng maayos at ligtas. Kailangan muna itong i-set up o i-configure bago gamitin. Step 1. Connect to Mission Planner. Ito ang software na ginagamit para makipag-communicate sa Pixhawk. Step 2. Calibrate accelerometer, compass, at radio. Pag-aayos ng sensor para tama ang readings nila. Accelerometer. Sinusukat ang tilt at galaw ng drone. Kailangan ilagay ang drone sa iba't ibang posisyon. Compass, para malaman ang direksyon, north, south, etc. Iniikot ang drone sa iba't ibang direksyon habang nagka-calibrate. Radio, kinokonek at chinecheck ang controller. Tinitingnan kung tama ang response ng throttle, yaw, pitch, at roll.
And the next is telemetry monitoring. Ang telemetry monitoring ay nag-work ito sa pamamagitan ng sensors na nangongolekta ng data. Pagkatapos ay ipapadala ito gamit ang communication networks tulad ng Wi-Fi o cellular signals. Then pinaprocess ang data at pinapakita sa monitoring dashboard or application. Commonly used ang telemetry monitoring sa drones, healthcare, transportation, agriculture, and industrial system. Halimbawa, sa drones, ginagamit ito para i-monitor ang altitude or GPS location and battery at speed. Ang main benefits ng telemetry monitoring ay real-time tracking, faster troubleshooting, and improved safety and better decision making. And that's all. Next.
Planning and simulation. So mission planning and simulation is the process of creating pre-programmed flight path for a drone and testing it safely using simulation before flying it in the real world. So steps, the number one is define waypoints on the map. So replace GPS on points on the digital map. So each waypoint tells the drone where to go and what path to follow. For example, is start from point A to point B to point C. So number two is upload mission to Pixhawk. So after planning waypoints, the mission is sent to Pixhawk flight controller. And this is transfers all instructions, distance, height, path to the drone. So number three is execute simulation or SIPL, means software in the loop. A virtual drone simulation. You test the mission on a computer first to check if the route is correct, avoid real world crashes, and verify drone behavior before flying. So the next is key terms. So a waypoint is predefined GPS coordinate. It tells the drone where to fly in a sequence, and think of it like settings pins on a Google Maps. Kung saan siya nakapin, doon siya pupunta. So autonomous mission is a mission where the drone flies on its own following the program waypoints, no manual control. So may AI na to. So next. So real world application. So the real world application is a drones that use Pixhawk firmware, software, and SDKs are used in many industries today because they can collect data, fly safely, and connect to bigger computer systems. Here are the real world application explains and simple. So number one is delivery drones with a APS. Nice. So Pixhawk powered drones are used for package delivery and they follow autonomous missions using waypoints and APIs allows them to connect with e-commerce platforms like online stores. And when a customer orders something, the system automatically sends the mission to the drone. And telemetry sends real-time updates like location and battery status to the company. And number two is agriculture. Smart farming. So farmers use drones with Pixhawk for crop monitoring, checking plant health, and spraying fertilizers or pesticides, and creating the fields map. These drones send data to the cloud system where AI or analytics tools process the information, and this helps farmers decide which area need more water, where pests are located, or how healthy the crops are. So this works because Pixhawk collects data flight and IPI send information to the cloud platform for analysis. So number three is the disaster response and emergency situation. So during typhoons, earthquakes, or fires, drones are used to support rescuers. They can find survivors, map damaged areas, and deliver small medical items, and send live video and telemetry to command centers. And the data helps responders to decide where to focus search and rescue operation. So number four is aviation and airline operation. Pixhawk data flows is similar to how airline track real aircraft. So airlines use telemetry to monitor plane status, and drones use similar system to send flight data to a control center. And this help because real-time tracking, corrective maintenance, monitoring battery and motor health. So just like airplanes, drones and spend on accurate telemetry and integration with IT systems. So that's it for real world application.
So, in all, Pixhawk software, firmware, and SDKs transform drone into intelligent and autonomous system through real-time data integration and advanced mission control. So this shows that drones today are not just tools but powerful technology shaping the future of different industry. And yun lamang po. Thank you.